This is interesting because on the monthly charts, Nifty is at a very interesting point. Now, this is the monthly charts for Nifty. Look at from I think September 2018 or mid of 2018, the Nifty when you try and join the resistance trend lines, we have hit the exact resistance trend line for the Nifty on the monthly charts. This is a very important trend line because these were the two inflection points where the Nifty corrected significantly. This was when the ILNFS saga came out, and this was when the budget disappointment came out in mid of 2019, and we are at a very similar juncture in terms of the price resistance. Now the important point is look at the behavior of these three doji candles. When you have indecisive candles for the index, it generally results into some sort of a turnaround. We've already seen 2 monthly candles for the Nifty. So if going forward as well we see such an indecisive candle on the index, then the chances are that this 12,400 mark could be a very important resistance. We look at the next slide and we look at the more shorter term part of how the Nifty channel is behaving. Look at the short term part. So the area where you've already seen 2 dojis being formed on the Nifty, this is where the channel resistance comes across. So on the monthly time frame, we are at a resistance of 12,400. On the daily charts, we are already at a resistance of those 12,400 mark on the Nifty, and that has been clearly depicted by now the breakout on the direction moving index, which is on the negative side, which indicates that there could be some bit of more weakness at least for the next couple of days. We look at the very short term charts and the behavior of the index in the last 4-5 days. So generally when the index comes back to a resistance level, we see how the daily charts pan out. And look at the last 4 days of candlestick pattern. This is a hanging man candlestick pattern, which again is indicative that bullish momentum is getting exhausted, spinning top. And then yesterday's candlestick pattern, which is a Marubozu candlestick pattern, which again has some sort of short term bearish implication. So net, I think the indications are that the trend is about to go through a big resistance point, and it's more important to re-strategize your trading strategy. From buying on momentum to buying on dips could be a better strategy at this point.